Chapter 5. Lists and Tables in HTML.
HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create the look and layout of the documents on the web. It uses markup tags that allows the web browser to display the contents of web pages. A web page is made up of elements, each of which is defined by an HTML tag. These tags are coded commands used to indicate the way your web page should be displayed on the browser. All HTML files should contain at least following 4 tags: A. HTML tag, B. Head tag, C. Title tag, D. Body tag. HTML has the quality to make information more accessible. Its excellent collection of text style, formatting tools, and link tools help us to organize our information into documents. This chapter talks about HTML lists, images, links, and tables.
HTML has excellent collection of text style, formatting tools, and link tools help us to organize our information into documents. Image tag. The image tag is used to insert image in a document. Images are defined with the image tag. Syntax. img src is equal to image path. The output is attributes of image tag. There are different attributes that can be added to the image tag which illustrate or modify the appearance of the image. src, align, width or height, alt. Syntax. img src is equal to image path, align is equal to right width is equal to 20%, height is equal to 30%, alt is equal to no image. The output is list. HTML lists appear in web browser as bulleted or numbered lines of text. There are 3 different types of HTML lists. 1. Ordered list. 2. Unordered list. 3. Definition list. Ordered list. An ordered list is used when items in the list are required to be in a specific order. An order list starts with the OL tag. Type, result, description. A, ABC, uppercase letters. A, ABC, lowercase letters. 1, 1, 2, 3, uppercase Roman letters. 1, 1, 2, 3, lowercase Roman letters. 1, 1, 2, 3, sequence of numbers. OL tag has one more attribute called start. Start attribute contains a numeric value which tells the browser from where to start a list. Unordered list. An unordered list is used when items in the list are not required to be in a specific order. Bulleted or unordered list starts with UL tag. Type result description. Circle or empty circle, disk, filled circle, square, filled square. Definition list. When there is another type of list that is often overlooked, the definition list. A definition list is a list of terms and corresponding definitions. They are typically formatted with the term on the left with the definition following on the right or on the next line. The definition text is typically indented with respect to the term. For declaring definition list, you require DL tag. Tables. Tables are very useful to arrange data in HTML and are used very frequently almost by all web developers. If you do not need a border, then you can use border is equal to 0. Hyperlink. A hyperlink or link is a word, phrase of words or image that you can click on to jump to a new document or a new section within the current document. When you move the cursor over a link in a web page, the arrow will turn into little hand. Hyperlinks are created using the HTML anchor tag along with their attributes. In HTML, there are 2 types of hyperlinks. Internal hyperlink. An internal hyperlink is one that takes you to a new location within the current open web page. Before establishing an internal hyperlink, first you must create a bookmark. You can do so by using the A by A anchor tags along with the name attribute and the href attribute. href attribute stands for hyperlink reference, which contains the URL of the page to be linked. For internal linking, it contains the same of the bookmark preceding. External linking. As you have seen while surfing, if you click on the hypertext, text normally in blue color, it opens another web page in the browser's window. This type of linking is called external linking, that is linking two web pages. To create external linking, same anchor tag is used with only href attribute. External linking differs from internal linking on an hyperlink reference used. In this case, the href will include the full address of the web page to be linked or websites. The linked text appears in different color, normally blue, and when you bring the cursor on the hypertext, it turns to hand shape. Linking from an image. Image links are constructed as you might expect by embedding an image tag inside an anchor element. Like HTML text links, image links require opening and closing anchor tags, but instead of placing text between these opening and closing tags, the developer needs to place an image tag with a valid source attribute, value of course. Let us consider the example to link an image with text.